This is 21 days affirmations for health and fitness. I am grateful for my healthy body. Every cell in my body radiates health and vitality. I choose to nourish my body with healthy food and thoughts. My body is a powerful self-healing machine. I am full of energy and vitality every single day. I breathe in healing energy and breathe out stress. My immune system is strong and protects me at all times. Every organ in my body is functioning at its best. My body naturally fights off any illness or disease. I am safe, healthy, and protected. My body knows how to heal itself, and it does so effortlessly. My skin glows with health and radiance. My thoughts are powerful and they create my reality. I release all stress and welcome peace and balance. Every part of my body responds to my loving and positive thoughts. I am in perfect harmony with my mind, body, and soul. I let go of all fear and embrace perfect health. My body is healing with each passing moment. Every breath I take fills me with healing energy. My cells are regenerating and restoring my perfect health. I am getting stronger and healthier every single day. I trust my body's natural ability to heal itself. My heart, lungs, and every organ function optimally. I enjoy nourishing my food. I enjoy nourishing my body with healthy food. I am drawn to foods that heal and energize me. Drinking water keeps my body hydrated and vibrant. I exercise with joy and my body thanks me for it. I wake up feeling refreshed and full of energy. Resting and sleeping deeply rejuvenates my body. I release all negativity and embrace positivity. I love and accept myself completely. My thoughts are healing, empowering, and uplifting. I feel calm, centered, and at peace. My mental health is as important as my physical health. I radiate happiness and well-being. I am grateful for the incredible gift of my health. Every part of my body vibrates with high energy. I wake up feeling refreshed, renewed, and full of light. My body is getting healthier and stronger every day. I feel light, energetic, and completely at ease. My body listens to my positive intentions and responds with healing. I trust the natural wisdom of my body to heal itself. My cells are regenerating and repairing perfectly. Each day, I am becoming healthier in every way. My body is a temple and I treat it with love and care. I release all stress and allow peace to fill my body and mind. I choose to think thoughts that promote health and well-being. I am surrounded by healing energy and divine perfection. Every heartbeat fills me with strength and vitality. My body responds positively to the love and care I give it. I listen to my body needs and nourish it with healthy choices. I enjoy moving my body and staying active. Drinking water purifies my body and refreshes my mind. Rest and relaxation are essential for my well-being and I honor them. My body thrives when I choose balance, harmony, and self-care. My body knows exactly how to heal and restore itself. Every moment, my body is working in perfect harmony. My cells are infused with powerful healing energy. I release all blockages and allow my body to heal completely. I trust in my body's natural ability to restore health and balance. Listen these affirmations for the next 21 days before sleeping and after you wake up. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Namo Himali.